Hello and welcome back. Today we're making spinach pesto pasta. Start with 75 to 85 grams of parmesan, a small handful of nuts, preferably pine. I didn't have any, so I'm using walnuts and cashews. Any is fine. And just give this a quick blitz. Next, add 4 cloves of garlic, a little handful of fresh basil leaves. I'll put quantities in the description below. Approximately 1.5 cups of baby spinach, a splash of lemon juice, some salt, cracked black pepper. Of course, use a larger food processor than I am. And a couple tablespoons of a nice quality olive oil. And give this another blitz. When your pesto looks something like this, drizzle in some extra olive oil and keep blitzing in little batches. A little more olive oil and then another blitz. And a final splash. You should need approximately 1/2 cup for this quantity. And you should have enough pesto for a nice big jar. Set that aside. In a separate pan, in some olive oil, we're going to fry a couple pieces of chicken breast. I've just sliced this up into thin slices. And you can season the chicken how you like. I'm just going to add some salt, black pepper, dry garlic powder, onion powder, and a little dried parsley. Flip your chicken, and when you have a nice bit of colour on both sides of your chicken and it's cooked through, set aside. Reduce your heat to low, add a little more olive oil and add 1 diced medium onion. When your onions have softened and picked up all those brown bits from the bottom of your pan, add your chicken back in. Just give that a quick mix through. Add 150 millilitres of double cream and your beautiful fresh pesto. I use approximately 3/4, half to 3/4 of my jar for this. The remaining pesto you can use for sandwiches. Just mix that through. Keep this on a low heat the whole time and just allow that to bubble through for 1 minute. I accidentally boiled too much pasta, so I ended up using the whole jar. Add a tiny bit of your pasta water and add your pasta to the pan. And let that cook into your sauce for a further minute. And that's all it takes. Dinner ready in 20 minutes. So let's start serving some of our beautiful spinach and pesto pasta up. Say that 3 times fast. I also like to add just a little bit of extra fresh Parmesan cheese on there, because there's no such thing as too much cheese. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe and click that notification bell for more.